Hey guys, Big Jonas here, checking in on Bitcoin. Just closed out another week above our upper Bollinger on the close. Weekly BB still incredibly wide here. Okay, we're still significantly above all, my EMAs, my MAs. We're still just way above all of our near-term, moving averages that have not been tested since we advanced off our EMA 12 back in October there, again on the weekly chart. Now, lower time frames were showing a little more of this bearishness on the pullback we had last week and the consolidation of this week. We're putting in another closing, weekly high, historic here, and starting another week of Bitcoin price action above $19,000 is very impressive. Now we still have our on-balance volume here. It is still strong here, even though we have had the pullback in the lower high of consolidation here. No kind of major sell-off or rejection yet. What is notable is we are very high again in our RSI. Again, this doesn't necessarily mean this is a topping area, but a very strong and healthy 83 in the RSI. Historically speaking, we can see we get these very sharp peaks when we do end up having some sort of a rejection here, but we've definitely been in the 90s and even higher, historically speaking, on the weekly scale. Weekly Stochastics RSI, still in this upper zone here, very high and tight. As you can see historically here, we can be up here for quite a while, weeks, even months, while hovering on this range here. We're going to see if we get any kind of a bearish rollover or continue to hold that bullish stance. Overall, the weekly stochastic here, we are still above our zero line and still very strong here. However, it is notable to talk about this line of resistance here that we're kind of hovering right on. We want to see if this is rejection. All right, if we can basically above it and find it as support. And overall, our MACD did put in a lower high on our histogram, even though we were still climbing up the mountain here. Very spread, like almost to the extremes in circumstances historically here on our spread here. But still, we can see we can climb a higher mountain if Bitcoin definitely has it in it. So a new week of Bitcoin price action, I'm sure will be dynamic. Stay tuned.